Hi guys, for today's video, I'll show you kung paano mag-transfer ng money from Gcash to bank account. Ang dali lang guys, just follow this step-by-step tutorial. Anyway, magagamit mo ito kung magta-transfer ka ng money from your Gcash to your bank account. O di kaya magpipay o magbabayad ka online by sending it to their bank accounts. Alright, let's start after this intro. Okay, go to your Gcash account. Enter your MPIN. Alright, so before ka mag-transfer ng money, make sure na may laman yung Gcash balance mo. Okay, so once you're here sa iyong Gcash dashboard, first thing to do is i-click ang transfer. Then, itap ang local kasi local naman tayo magta-transfer ng money. Pero kung international ay i-click ang international. Pero in this tutorial, I'll choose local. Ayan, so marami kang pagpipilian na bank accounts. Nandito yung BPI, BDO, Metrobank, Land Bank, Security Bank, Union Bank, PNB, China Bank, East-West Bank, RCBC, PS Bank, AUB, PBCom, DBP, Robinsons Bank. Take note na kahit ano pang bank account ang pagtatransferan mo ng money ay same lang naman yung pipilafan mo. For example, I'll choose UB or Union Bank, so I'll click Union Bank. So ito na, pipilapan ko ang details. First is i-enter ang amount of money na itatransfer mo. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'll try 20 pesos kasi konti lang yung available balance ko. Next is i-enter ang full name or account name ng pagsesendan mo ng money. Kung bank account mo ay syempre yung name mo. Pero kung sa ibang tao ay syempre yung account name ng pagsesendan mo. Then, ilagay mo ang account number ng pagtatransferan mo ng money. Lagyan mo rin ng email address kasi magagamit mo yan lalo na kapag sa ibang tao o bank account mo itatransfer ang money. Kasi isa rin yan sa magsisilbing confirmation or receipt. Take note na meron pong 15 pesos charge per transaction. So now, make sure to double check kung tama ba yung details na nailagay mo. Alright, so kapag okay na ay i-click mo na ang send money. Pero just in case na may edit ka pa ay itap lamang itong arrow. Pero kapag okay na ay mag-scroll down ka lang at i-check itong box to confirm that the details are correct. At sabi dito, confirmed transactions will not be refunded. Please make sure that the account details and amount are correct. Alright, so after checking the box ay i-click mo na ang pay. Then, magsisend si Gcash sa'yo ng 6-digit authentication code. Enter mo dito and click Submit. Alright, so bank transfer complete. Scroll down ka para ma-download mo ang receipt. Click Download. Ayan, so from 58 pesos, now 23 pesos na lang yung balance ko. So, na-deduct na siya guys. Na-credit na siya. So gaya ng sabi ko kanina, kahit anong bank account ay same lang yung pifill-upan mo na details. So magkiklik ako ng ibang bank account to prove na same lang yung pifill-upan. For example, itong BDO. Okay, so diba same lang? First is amount of money, account name, then account number. Open ko rin yung BPI. Ayan, so same lang. Try ko rin itong AUB. Okay, so same lang talaga guys, kahit anong bank account, okay? Anyway, so meron din akong natanggap na notification sa Gmail about the bank transfer. So I suggest na ilagay mo talaga ang iyong email address. Alright, so i-check ko rin ang aking Union Bank account kung na-transfer ba talaga ang money. Kasi itong UB account ko ay meron ng existing na 100 pesos available balance. Plus yung 20 pesos na tinransfer ko from Gcash, so naging 120 pesos na yung balance ko sa aking bank account. Alright, so ganun lang kadali guys ang mag-transfer ng money from Gcash to bank account. If you learned from this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe now. If you want to learn more about Gcash, ay itap lamang ang mga video na nasa screen. Alright, thanks for watching. God bless, and always remember, live, learn, inspire, value, and enjoy life.